coming now. It's very hot.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all.
Welcome back to my channel. Jimmy Rose again. We are at Motiongate inside Dubai Parks and Resorts.
The lockers don't work.
The lockers don't work. I don't know how they will take the cash only. They don't take credit cards, so I'm bringing my bag.
It doesn't even take cash. It says cash only. It doesn't take cash.
Yeah. Maybe coins. It's
45 coins.
Cash coins only. We are done with Capital Bullet Train.
We should have left,
I chickened out. It's only Jimmy who went inside.
you should have left your bag.
We had fun at Lionsgate. Now we are moving to Columbia Pictures.
Yeah.
Yay! So fun! Right there?
It's nice.
Oh,
I went on a roller coaster all by myself. And I sat on a 3D moving chair.
I was there on the 3D moving chair. I wasn't prepared.
Wasn't much.
That's fine. Because we only paid secret.
They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
Welcome to Madagascar.
Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like.
What was the best ride here in Madagascar?
The Melmet go around where you just sit on a cheetah or a horse and you ride in a circle for 30-45 seconds.
That's not true. No, the Madagascar, what's that called?
What was that called?
Mad Suit?
No, I don't know what you're saying.
I think that's the name of the ride.
What's over here?
It was fast, scary, and life-threatening. What can you say about the ride, Beb? Dragon gliders.
Nice.
That's
but
nice.
The end scene,
The end scene, you should watch
rated R, yeah.
Rated R for dirty minded. Like, yeah. Look at that, it's fun.
This was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Of the Shrek.
Take you.
Shrek, 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 Shrek. A whole new world. A dazzling shishim. We are at Shrek and it's completely for kids. Going in. La 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 la. I am so excited. It's worth it. I had so much fun. There are rides for kids and it's safe and the security is tight and there's a locker for every ride and you can use it free for an hour. Yes, but they also have a package like 45 for small bags and that's for the entire day. So it really is worth it. You should really come. DreamWorks. No, DreamWorks.
Where is it? DreamWorks?
We are at DreamWorks section.
DreamWorks, yeah. That was nice. The Madagascar roller coaster is pretty cool.
Yeah,
the food was really good from Madagascar.
Yeah. A bit pricey, but it's okay.
That was nice.
Not that bad.
Cleansing, fogging.
Oh. Welcome to the YouTube channel.
Hello.
Hi, our neighbor.
Nice to see you. Enjoy.
Where do you work?
I'm in the hotel Transylvania now. You will see to stand all the castle right there.
Ah, you're going
Yeah, all the castle.
for...
Yeah, I'm on break now, but I'll be there shortly.
Okay,
okay.
I'll see
Have
you.
fun.
Yeah,
Thanks, bye.
I thought that.
They have the claw game. Who are you gonna call?
Jimmy.
Ghostbusters.
Can I take you
we're still here. I am quite sleepy. Honestly, I'm sleepy. I enjoy the rides, but I am just tired. And Jimmy wants to go for Green Hornet. I didn't want to go because I just don't have the energy to shout anymore, you know. I might sleep and might fall and cause accident. So just better go. But I would like to show you the nighttime of Dubai Parks and Resorts Motiongate. This is the food corner. That's not all. There's like more. Like every section there's a food court. And then there's the Zombie. And there's Hotel Transylvania. They have technical issues, so they ask us to wait. But I just don't have time. I want ice cream because it's warm. It's summer in Dubai. So I'll just stay here. I'll sit and I'll watch Jimmy. We'll all watch him. I don't know if you can see Jimmy, but he's sitting on the front and he's sitting right here on my left. Let me come closer. He's with a group of boys. Oh no, I won't be able to see him. Alright, he's right there. He looks so funny. But we missed the show. Step Up Dubai All-In show. Timings resume on Monday. No. Why? It's time to go home. During the summer, you don't need to get queue fast. Maybe in the winter, it's more queuing.
No queues today. Longest
Not
queue
that bad.
was for the Dragon Glider. But only because the technical difficulties. After that, then the queue lasts only 5 minutes.
Yeah, we were safe.
20 minutes waiting, then once it moves, 5 minutes only, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next vlog.